my happy place. I'm like feeling hungover from it today.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's silly. Hey guys, so we have a busy day today. It's been a minute since I sat down and vlogged. I totally meant to vlog more while we were in Ohio for Arlo's birthday, but... So Christian, where are we going?
Ohio.
Ohio. I need 2 hands.
What are you doing? I like you.
It just didn't end up happening. So I'll kind of catch you guys up on that and what we've been up to a little bit in today's video. The boys are currently at school. Jordan's on his way back from a meeting, and then we're gonna hopefully do the beach at some point in this video / today as well. So for starters, just to catch you guys up a little bit, I first want to start off by just saying thank you guys so much for all of the love you gave me on my last video. As you can imagine, that was like such a hard one to put out, and I have so many more thoughts and experiences to share past that you know, I'm gonna save for a whole different video. Maybe that will be my next one, but I'm gonna try and keep the tears away, but I really just wanted to say thank you. This like community and all of you guys as my internet and real life friends have just like totally helped us during this time, and every single message, every single story that you guys shared with me, every single comment meant so much to me. I've been going through reading all of them, and I just want you to know how much of a difference it made to me in getting through these last couple weeks. So thank you for that. Thank you so much for all of the support. Second, so we went to Ohio. As you probably saw at the end of my last video, we went to Ohio to stay in our other house for a week and celebrate Arlo's birthday. We had his birthday party in that house, and I was gonna do a vlog of the birthday party, but it ended up just being so much fun. We got so distracted. But the decor ended up being so cute. I went with a Chugga Chugga tutu theme, which I've talked about in past vlogs, and he had so much fun. It's been like so cool to see Arlo's personality really come out as he has turned 2, and I feel like him being a little brother with an older brother who is quite the extrovert and the alpha of the house. Typically Arlo, his personality is just to like he's stubborn and vocal, but he tends to take a back seat to whatever Christian does or wants. And so to have him have a week that was like all about him was really cool, because he just like soaked it up. He came up with this little strut, and he would like strut around the house, and everybody was getting the biggest kick out of it. And he like totally soaked up the role of birthday boy, and it was just really cool to see. And it was like, as you can imagine, it's been a bittersweet week, because it's weird grieving something while also celebrating something else. But Arlo, both of our boys have been like such a bright spot and such a, I don't know, such a comfort during this time. So we had the best time celebrating his birthday. We had like a legit party. We had his birthday party, and then it turned into like a party, and we were up till like 11 or 12 playing ping pong, and the boys stayed up late too. And you know, it was cool because since we were in our hometown, it felt like a high school reunion, kind of like with all of our friends there. And it was just like the best. It was such a good distracting week away. Then we came back and we immediately started home hunting, which has been crazy. So yesterday was Sunday. We landed in California on Saturday, and the very next day we started looking at houses, because our lease is up this summer and we're kind of starting to explore the housing market, figuring out if and when we want to buy and all that stuff. So we went to look at 4 houses yesterday with the kids. So I'm like feeling hungover from it today. We took them inside 2 of the houses, and after that we were like, nope, not again. They were just being wild. It was a lot for them. So we're gonna try to keep looking at houses while they're at daycare, because the second 2 we ended up doing shifts. We like sat in the car with the kids, and Jordan would go look through the house. We went to a couple open houses like that. So Jordan would go tour the house, give them our spiel, get all the questions out of the way, and then I would come in after him, and we would take turns so that somebody was sitting with the kids and we didn't have to bring them through the open houses. It's so hard how open houses are always on the weekends, you know? Like, I don't blame them because they need everybody to come, but at the same time, we always have our kids with us for that, and they're insane. So in one house we went in, Christian was like weighing himself on their scale, and Arlo was going through the people's nightstands, and they found the playroom and they were playing with all the toys, and Christian turned some Paw Patrol toy on and I could not for the life of me figure out how to get it off, and it was just making this huge screaming sound. The toy was, not Christian. And I was so embarrassed. It's fine. We're fine. But no, so we're gonna continue the home hunt, you know, during the work week while the boys are at daycare, and hopefully over the next couple months we'll find something good. This housing market is insane, but you know, we're excited for that, and I will totally bring you guys along and share as well too. So in terms of today, I just got ready. No, this lighting is crazy, but I just got ready, got all dressed, did my makeup, got all dressed, and then in a little bit I am actually gonna go get my nails done. I need a nail fixed as always. And then because we are going to be going to the beach today and out in the sun, I wanted to give a shout out to today's sponsor, and that is Native. So you guys have heard me talk about their deodorant before. A lot of people love Native deodorant, but did you know that they also have body wash and they have sunscreen too? Living in California, it is very important for us to have sunscreen all the time, because even when it's cloudy, that sun is still stronger than you think. I do not want the harmful effects of the sun on me or my kids, so I make sure to apply sunscreen as part of my getting ready routine, but especially on days when we are going to the beach too, I want to make sure that I'm prioritizing it. Native has this coconut and pineapple scent. It smells so good, and what I really appreciate about Native sunscreen is that it rubs in so easily and so sheer. There's no like white residue left. There's no sticky feeling. It feels really good on the skin, and look, you can't even tell that I have it on. It's SPF 30, so it will protect against UVA and UVB rays. It's vegan and cruelty-free, made with 97% plant-based ingredients, and it's a mineral sunscreen. It's reef-safe, broad-spectrum sunscreen made with 100% zinc oxide. I've also been loving their body wash. This is a eucalyptus and mint scent, and you guys, this smells like spearmint gum in a body wash. It like awakens and invigorates you while you're in the shower. It's the perfect thing to like start off your day with, and then you follow it with the sunscreen and you are good to go. Native wants to protect all of us from the sun, so you guys know I have the hookup. I have a 30% off code for you. I'll put my code here, and I'll have that and the link in the description box down below. They always have free shipping over at Native as well too, so use that and my code and you are good to go. So thank you again to Native for sponsoring this video, and now let's jump into the rest of the vlog. All right, so I am on the way to go get my nails fixed. They're so cute, so it's like bittersweet for me because they have these really cute little flower designs on them that I love, but one of them is broken and I cannot hang with that. Be right back. Here's the before of my nails. Pretty flowers. Okay, and here's my nails now. I tried to do like a little lemon pattern because my friend's baby shower is this weekend and it's like citrus themed, but I don't know if that really turned out. It's not super noticeable, but at least I've got the lemon color going. It's a little outside of my comfort zone. I like it. Christian, where are you going?
I was going to see Daddy. What is Daddy name?
Christian.
Wow, that was good.
So we've had a gloomy few days here in Orange County. We went to Ohio for a week and saw snow and hail and chilly weather the entire time, and then we came back to California and saw pure gray skies for a couple days. So it feels really good to be at the beach, soaking up some good weather, and it's supposed to get hot this week finally, like in the 80s. So I'm hoping to do some beach days. That's a big rock, Arlo. What are you gonna do with that? Arlo! Christian gets so excited. Okay, that lighting's a little better. Christian gets so excited whenever he sees a train here, and we have seen several today. So it's a good day. Arlo is in Christian's hand-me-down shirt. Arlo, what you got? And fun fact, Arlo is actually... Arlo, what are you doing? Oh, Mr. Drama has come out. Mr. Drama, are you okay? Are you gonna be okay? Do you need help? Oh, hi. Oh. Thank you, baby. Did you hear Daddy making those Maui sounds?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's silly. He sounds like Moana, huh? Fun fact, Arlo is actually named after these beach rocks. His middle name is Stone, after all of the beach stones. And now look at him, Mr. Chunk. And there's Big Bro running to chase the train. So I asked Jordan to trade me, we met at the beach after picking up the boys, and I asked him to trade me cars and give me our Jeep to drive home without the kids and him take the kids home in my car because 2 reasons. The first reason is I would like to stop and get wine on the way home, so I came to one of my favorite places. The second reason is because you know how sometimes like your brain can attach to songs and music like so much, and when you hear a song it will like transport you back to something, or you can relive a memory, all of that stuff. Well, let me tell you, my kids have been on a Moana kick the last couple months. Like, we watch Moana almost every single night. It's the only thing they want to hear while we're in the car. The soundtrack is what we play all the time. We know the lyrics to all the sounds. They've been obsessed lately, and it has been the sweetest thing until my recent miscarriage. And after that, I like cannot hear those songs right now because it brings back so many memories of the last couple months. So I was just like, please take the kids home so I don't have to hear Moana right now. I'm sure I'll be able to hear it again sometime soon, and I don't know why I'm even sharing that right now, but it's a very real thing that I'm feeling today, so I just figured I'd share. But now I'm gonna go in Target, once again, my happy place, and get some wine and some snacks, and then I have like a little list for the kids class of things that they could use as donations, so we'll see what I can find and I'll show you after. This is the downside of that beach life. My feet are always looking like this with sand all over them. The kids' songs are still following me. Okay, hopefully my camera doesn't fall over. All done in Target, got a bunch of stuff. So much stuff that's pretty boring that I won't bore you with by showing you, but there were a couple things that I thought you guys would appreciate. One of them being, I was looking at the Easter stuff because I need to get Easter stuff for the boys' classrooms, and they have these really cute pre-filled Easter eggs that are dinosaur eggs. So this is what I got for our Easter egg hunt at home. They were like $5 a bag or something, but they come pre-filled with jelly beans and stickers that are dino themed. So I got 2 bags of those so we can hide those in our yard. And then I also, for all my dino mamas out there, I got this dinosaur egg decorating kit too. This was also $5, and how cute is that? So I thought the boys would love that. It has everything you need inside. They're gonna be obsessed. Got a ton of candy that I might have to open right now on the way home. This really cute Easter book. I know they have these for all different states, but ours is California, so the Easter Bunny is coming to California. We also have like the Christmas versions of those books, and Christian loves hearing about Santa in California and anything California he loves, so I think he'll like that. And then I found this really cool book. I don't know if I'll keep this at home or send it for our Airbnb in Ohio, but it is the ultimate oral history of The Office, and so it has a bunch of like inside knowledge about the making of the show and a bunch of quotes and interviews with the staff. If you guys ever listen to the Office Ladies podcast with the women who played Pam and Angela, this basically looks like a version of that, so I'm excited for that. Like, how cool. I don't know which place to keep it in, but okay, let's go home and meet up with the boys. All right, we are back home now. The boys are having some after school snacks, and they are also melting down. So, oh, but the camera is cheering up Mr. Man. But that's going to end the vlog.
You want to say bye to everybody?
Bye everyone, I'm going to I'm wearing games. Mommy, I'm wearing Lasers and more yogurt.
Okay. All right, see you guys later. Bye.